How are you today?
Yeah, I don't know what happened. How far can I drive on a spare like that?
They don't recommend driving far, but I wouldn't drive to Florida. I've driven to Florida on one,
Okay.
so it's not going to kill you.
So I can get home. I'll have to go to Bay City.
For Bay City, you'll definitely be good.
Okay.
I wouldn't drive, wait till winter time to get it
No,
fixed.
I'm going to go this week. Brand new car, brand new tire. I must have gone with something.
Yeah, I'm assuming this is what it is. Because that's not how you bought it, right?
Nope.
I didn't think so.
Huh.
I don't know what makes a tire do that.
Huh.
That is weird. That's my assumption.
Okay.
Because I don't see a hole in it. Good Lord, they make these things so tight. For no reason, they're like your tire's gonna roll away on you or something. You're fine.
Where'd you come from? From
Cara. Not too bad at all.
No.
Oh my God.
Oh.
Hold on. All right, so we're gonna have to make this difficult. So,
out or what? There.
we gotta pull it out probably.
I don't know. There we go.
That make it so difficult to do.
Only because they don't have to do it.
Right. Ooh.
There we go.
Look at that. Whew. I don't know why they make you lift it up from the back. All right, there's that. This does not fit under there. Do you want to put it there and just have everything resting on it, or do you want this in first and then put that?
Put that in first
All
and
right,
then on top.
we need this.
You said it looked like it was split in
Yeah, right. This. I don't
know.
I know you guys didn't buy it like that.
Oh, no, they didn't.
All right, this.
Yes, but I don't know. They've only had the vehicle. Yeah, well, about 1900.
Don't you just love these newer cars?
Well, I did.
Until there's a problem.
Yeah.
Oh.
Should give you new tires.
I think they will. It's all up.
That'd be the right thing to do, especially with it being as new as it is. I mean, you can clear as day tell it wasn't something you did, so they shouldn't have a problem warranting it out. How many miles you got on them?
1900.
Oh yeah, you should easily get like 75, 80,000 miles out of tires. So if you only got not even 2,000, they should have no problem warranting it.